Hi guys, it's Jjcookie DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two amazing pieces of ocean-themed jewelry. The first one, which I'm making right now, is a gorgeous pair of earrings. I'm starting by putting colorful seed beads on a curved wire. I got everything that I'm using today at Michael's. Make sure that you don't put too many beads on the wire. They should only cover the bottom. Also, I put mine in a pattern of 1 purple bead, and then 5 blue beads, another purple bead, 5 more blue beads, and another purple bead. But you can use any colors that you want, or any pattern that you want, and any size beads that you want. If you want, you can also put a tassel on it, and that will make it extra special. Next, I took some round-nosed pliers and I made a loop on the other end of the wire. Don't forget to cut off any extra wire. After that, I took regular pliers and I rotated both loops 90 degrees so that they ended up being horizontal or perpendicular to the beads or the rest of the wire. Once that was finished, I grabbed a jump ring and using 2 pairs of pliers, I opened it up. I'm sorry that in this section my hands went out of the camera, and I did not realize that they went out of the camera until I was editing this, so sorry about that. But what I did was I put the ring through the loop, the 2 horizontal loops, and I attached it. Next, I am attaching it to an earring holder, just a normal dangling earring. And that is pretty much it. I love these earrings. They are so cute. And this is what the finished result looks like. So cute. The next DIY project is a turtle necklace. I love this turtle necklace so much, and what you need is a turtle charm, a straight wire with a loop at the end, a chain, and a clasp. And I'm showing you the clasp right now. It is a twist-off clasp that I find is the easiest clasp to work with when putting a necklace on, because you don't have to work with the levers of the round clasps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to insert the straight wire with the loop on the end into the charm. My charm just happens to be a bead as well, so you can use beads for this. And then what I did was I clipped it with wire cutters, and that little piece of wire went flying across the room. It was pretty funny. And now I'm doing the same thing, and it also went out of the camera again, but I'm doing the same thing as I did with the earrings, and I'm going to make a loop using the round nose pliers. It's kind of difficult, but once you get it done, it looks amazing. So next, I'm going to grab another jump ring, and I'm going to insert it into the loop and make sure that the turtle charm that I'm using is facing up, like its face was facing up, because that is how I wanted it to sit on the necklace. Once I finished struggling closing that loop, I went ahead and I grabbed my chain, and I started by threading the chain through the loop on the turtle, or the jump ring on the turtle, sorry. And then I took the end of the chain, and I struggled a bit with this part because the chain kept falling, and yeah, I couldn't get it through the turtle, but I finally succeeded. Next, I'm going to take my twisty clasp, and I'm going to, with pliers as I go out of the cameras, and I'm going to open one end of the jump ring on the pliers. I'm still really sorry that I'm out of the camera. And I just put it on, put the last ring of the chain onto one end of the clasp, and then I just closed it up. It's pretty simple. Next, I'm just going to do the exact same thing with the other one. This is what the necklace looks when it's completely finished. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you think I should do this again. Bye!